A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, we're back with our social studies class. And as you know, in the last class, we had completed the explanation of chapter number 7, the equatorial region. Okay, so today we are going to discuss a worksheet. That is the worksheet of full chapter. This I am going to give you in the form of assignment also. And now we will do the worksheet reading. Let's go. So this is your worksheet part. As you can see, the first exercise is what? Look at the given map and write the neighboring countries of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Now can you see this? This looks a bit, which you have seen already, right? We have already discussed this map. हमने already देखा है, that is on page number 41 of your textbook. See, I'll show you over here. So this have mentioned all the neighboring countries of it. That is the Democratic Republic of Congo. So what you have to do in this? You have to write the neighbors of it. Okay. Now for example, the first one is West. What is it? West. Now you can see this is Democratic Republic of the Congo and these are the neighboring countries. So at the west you see Republic of the Congo. So I'll write it over here. Republic of the Congo. Okay, so in this way you have to write all the neighboring countries, that is east, north and south. Clear with this? Okay, now let's move on to question B, that is give brief answers and complete the following table. So आपको क्या करना है? आपको short में इसका answer देना है. The Democratic Republic of the Congo. So you have to tell the location. So you know the location is Central Africa, right? So I'll write over here Central Africa. Okay. Yeah. So in this way, the climatic condition of this country, then the vegetation also we have discussed, then the wildlife also. Okay, so this you have to write. Then the next one is give one word answers of the following. That means this is a question given and you have to give your answer in one word. Okay, see. It is called the Highway of Central Africa. What is it? We have discussed. It is called the Highway of Central Africa. That is the River Congo. So I am writing over here. River Congo is known as the Highway of Central Africa. Okay, then it is the largest city and also the capital of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Okay, largest city also and the capital of this country. So write the name here. It is the type of the forest that stay green all year round. So there is greenery all year around in this forest. Which is the name? Come on. Okay. They are the original inhabitants of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. This also we have discussed about the Negroes. So that you have to write. I have given the hint. I will not tell the answer. Okay. Then the last one is solve the crossword puzzle. So over here you see, this is a crossword puzzle over here. See, this is your puzzle Okay. This is the puzzle over here, and what you have to do is you have to solve it. Now, for example, the first one, a root that is dried and then produced for making bread. So, this also we have studied. We have studied about the agriculture, about the vegetation of this country. So, I'll tell you the first one, that is cassava. Remember, we studied about cassava, that we dry the roots of it and we use it for making bread. So, I'll write over here C-A-S-S-A-V and A. Okay, cassava. So, over here it is, see, first one it is given over here, so I will complete it. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, so in this way you have to solve this puzzle. It is very interesting to do. The official language of military. There is a hint given, L. So, you have to write the language over here. Pygmies, chimpanzee found in this country only. Here is the name. Write it accordingly. Dash River is the main physical feature of the country. It is a mineral-rich country. So, that you have to write. Then, the country leads in producing industrial D. What is that? That you have to find out. Okay. So, I'll send this worksheet to you. Take the printout of it and solve it. And you can attach it with your SST notebook. Is it clear, all of you? So, with this we have completed the worksheet part. And I hope it is clear to all of you. So, we'll meet in the next class. Till that, God bless you all. Goodbye.